My name is Miss Althea. I'm so glad that you're all here. You've made today a special day just by being near. So pick your spot, get cozy. It's almost story time. Cecil and I are about to start because that's the end of our rhyme. Hello and welcome to story time, everyone. My name is Miss Althea. This is my friend Cecil, and today's story time is no ordinary story time. In fact, it is a snory time. So I hope my sound effects crew is ready as we snore along to the snory. Stop Snoring, Bernard, by Zachariah OHora. Stop snoring, Bernard. Bernard loved living at the zoo. He loved mealtime, playtime, and best of all, nap time. Bernard is my kind of otter. But there was one little problem. Bernard snored loudly. One afternoon at napping, Grumpy Giles had had enough. "Snore somewhere else, Bernard," he said. He looks very grumpy to me. Bernard tried sleeping in a lake, but that didn't work. "Stop snoring, Bernard!" What kind of animal is saying that to Bernard? A crocodile or maybe an alligator? Either way, he's not very happy. He tried sleeping in a fountain, but that didn't work either. "Stop snoring, Bernard!" Poor Bernard. He even tried sleeping in a puddle, but that really didn't work. "Stop snoring, Bernard!" Bernard was sad and lonely. He found a tucked away place, curled up by himself, and drifted off to sleep. The other otters missed Bernard. They had searched for him all through the night. "Bernard! Bernard! Bernard!" The next morning, Bernard woke up and saw hundreds of bats on the ceiling. "Excuse me," he said. "How did you sleep with all my snoring?" "We didn't," replied a bat. "We were out all night and now we are trying to sleep. So please don't snore here." Bernard felt terrible. There wasn't any place he could sleep without bothering somebody. He trudged towards the zoo gate. But then he heard something. It was the other otters. We couldn't sleep without you, said Grumpy Giles. And I'm sorry, I yelled. Please come back. And from that day on, everyone napped happily. Well, almost everyone. Good night, Bernard. Thank you so much for joining us. Until next week or next time at the library, we hope you have a lovely day.